What's up, guys? We are going to do part two of installing an open LDAP server on Ubuntu. This is video 2 of 1. And in this video, we will be configuring the client machine. So we already have our server running. It's good to go. Now let's hop on our client machine. And let me hit clear. So just exit out of that, get back into a fresh terminal. So we're on our client machine. And what we want to do first is we want to do an LDAP search to see if our server is up and running and to see if we can connect to it from this machine. So we're going to do LDAP search XB. Com. I believe it was 192.168.1.244. I believe that's the IP address of our server. And yes, I'm correct. It is. So as you can see, our server is up and running. And there it is. There's Cynthia. There's the admin groups. Lemus. Yep. So we're good to go. All right. Now, what we want to do first is we want to install the package. Now, this is the package that we're going to install. Remember, I told you on the last video, we were using Computing with Geeks, the website, to help us with that tutorial on how to install the server. But I informed you guys that when you want to uh, configure the client, don't use that website anymore because the package that they want you to install, it's not good. It's not going to work. The correct package to install is sudo install. We want to install uh, LDAPD. All right, we want to install uh, LIBN LIBNSS LDAP-D. So let's install. Got to enter our password. Let's see. Missing distinction offered. Oh yeah. Okay. Sudo apt install. All right. Now this is going to be the correct package that we want, and everything's going to run smooth. Shouldn't take long. Install real quick. All right, here we go. Now, configuring the NSLCD, we're going to want to put our either the host name or the IP address of our server. So what was that? 192.168.1.244. All right. And DC equals example com. And configuring LIBNSS LDAP-D, we want to mark password, we want to mark group, and we want to mark shadow. All right, now we also want to do sudo pam thwart update. All right, what we want to do in the pam configuration, we want to mark create home directory on login. Now, by the way, you hit the space bar if you want to mark these options, by the way. And we need to get another package because the LDAP authorization is not in here, so that's okay. We're just gonna install that package real quick with sudo apt install lib. Let's get back into that. All right, there it is. The LDAP authentication. That's what we need, and it is marked. So let's double check everything. Looks good to go. And you also want to do a service restart. Uh, so you want to restart NSLCD and sudo service NSCD restart. All right, now cross your fingers. Let's hope this works. So we're just gonna hit su into one of our users. Let's just do Lemus password and creating directory home Lemus, and we're good to go. As you can see, we are now signed in to one of our users that we created in our LDAP server. So everything works. Now I just turned off my client machine. Let's reboot that machine up. So we just switched to Lemus on the terminal. Now, now we're gonna sign into Cynthia. Just not the user, not listed. Let's type in Cynthia. Creating directory home. So let's creating the home directory, and yeah, there you go. That's how you install and configure and open LDAP server. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please click like and subscribe. And you have a blessed day.